Hi, it's Ted Powers with Paragon Global Consulting, and I'd like to talk with you about how you can use Microsoft Excel to make better decisions in your business. Sales and production forecasts are notoriously inaccurate, mostly because they're made using static assumptions. We ask our employees to give us their best estimates for things like capital expenditures, selling prices, production costs, sales volumes, and many other variables that will directly determine the success or failure of our business venture. It is these static estimates that can lead us to make some pretty bad decisions. Fortunately, we can use Excel and some analytical tools to help us make better, more data-driven decisions. Rather than making a number of single point estimates, we can use a tool called Crystal Ball to perform something called stochastic modeling, where our assumptions are more reality-based and responsive to changes that could occur with time and differing market conditions. In this simple capital budgeting example, we plan to spend $10 million to buy a new piece of equipment, which will allow us to increase our annual production by 200,000 units. Our sales department tells us that they can sell those for $50 a piece, and our production department tells us that it's about $35 to produce those. Now, historically, we've done a pretty good job with our forecast. In fact, we've been about 80% right with our forecast in the past. But as you can see, 80% of 80% of 80% of 80% is exactly wrong. The point is that when you have multiple variables, multiple assumptions that you have to deal with, being off even just a little bit can lead you to making a decision that you otherwise might not have made. But fortunately, we can use Excel and Crystal Ball to help us with that. In our static case, this project looks pretty good. The net present value is nearly $1.4 million, and the project pays for itself in just a little over 3 years. But of course, our static assumptions are just that, static. Using Crystal Ball, we can account for the range of possibilities for each of these variables and use Monte Carlo simulation to test thousands of various combinations of values for each variable to arrive at a most likely outcome. With the click of a button, we can run thousands of simulations to test our assumptions. And what we find in this case is that the results are pretty shocking. The most likely net present value for this case, let's show the chart here, for this case is not 1.3 million, it's actually a little better. It's $1.6 million. But the shocking part is that there's only a 54% chance that this project will return a net present value that's above zero. In other words, you have about a 50-50 chance that your $10 million investment will result in a loss for your company. Yikes. In future episodes, we'll explore other ways that you can use Excel to help improve your financial forecast. So if you need help with capital budgeting, financial analysis, or forecasting of any type, we're here to help. Please feel free to reach out by email or give us a call. We're happy to help and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for your attention and have a great day.